global happenings today. We communicate, we analyze global news. Stay tuned.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Global Happenings Today. Hours ago, there was news that went viral about what happened in Ipob, where the police station was burnt down and a whole lot of things went down. And of course, there's also some places in Oru, Owerri West, our Mama, Omoma, and the rest where police stations were burnt down. A whole lot of people were pointing fingers very boldly to indigenous people of Biafra and what is going on. It looks like investigations have been carried out, and this is what they found out that is quite shocking. The moment you're going to find out what it is, but before we do that, like and subscribe to our channel by clicking on the right subscribe button. Beside it, you will see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. The indigenous people of Biafra, Ipob, Tuesday denied attacking police stations in Imo State. The indigenous people of Biafra, Ipob, said contrary to the claims by the Nigerian government that the Eastern Security Network, ESN, was not responsible for the burning of police stations in Omuguma and Omuma in Owerri West local government area and Oru east of Imo State. Ima Powerful, the spokesman of the group, said the claim was aimed at tarnishing and blackmailing the indigenous people of Biafra. In a statement, Powerful said the Department of State Services (DSS) and the Nigerian Police Force should question the state governor, Hope Uzodinma, on the origin of UGM across the state. According to Powerful, I quote him, "We, the global movement and family of the indigenous people of Biafra, Ipob, under the command and leadership of our great prophet and indefatigable leader, Nnamdi Kanu, wish to dissociate ourselves, our noble movement, from the ignoble attack on the police stations. The attack happened at Omuguma and Omoma stations in Owerri West local government area and Oru east of Imo State, contrary to lies and false allegations by the Nigerian government. There is no iota of truth in the allegation intended to blackmail us and tarnish our referred global reputation. We have said it severally that the indigenous people of Biafra, Ipob, and the Eastern Security Network, ESN, are not UGM and will never be. The enemies of our struggle have been looking for ways to link the indigenous people of Biafra, Ipob, with criminal activities being sponsored by government of the day, that's Governor Hope Uzodinma and the APC, to demonize the indigenous people of Biafra. Ipob, that's indigenous people of Biafra, Eastern Security Network operatives have no hands in these attacks. We challenge our accusers to provide evidence showing that the attack was done by the indigenous people of Biafra or even Eastern Security Network outfit, that's Eastern Security outfit. Our mandate is not to attack police stations or individuals. Our mandate is the peaceful restoration of Biafra. We are much focused on the release of our leader, Nnamdi Kanu, and securing a date for the Biafran referendum where our people can decide which country they want to belong to. Senseless attacks are not part of our mandate. We wonder why the Nigerian police derive joy in feeding the public with lies just to deceive the gullible minds. Nigerian police knew who created and formed the unknown gunmen, that's UGM, but refused to bring them to book. Instead, every day, they keep linking the indigenous people of Biafra, Ipob, and Eastern Security Network, ESN, to what they don't know. Nigerian police and DSS agents must question Hope Uzodinma about the origin of UGM if they want to stop this squad, otherwise they will not achieve anything meaningful. The indigenous people of Biafra, Ipob, and the Eastern Security Network, ESN, did not attack police stations at Omuguma and Omoma, both in Imo State. The Imo State Supreme Court Administrator, Hope Uzodinma, has questions to answer. A lot of Nigerians have taken to their social media page to react. I'll quickly take some of them and let's look at this honestly and objectively. Do you honestly think that Governor Hope Uzodinma will make a mess of his reign, or just to prove a point? Let's feel the pulse of Nigerians, please. This one here is saying, all these lies and accusations won't stop us from hanging and burning them. Who are they? I don't know who they're referring to. This one here is saying, no matter how brainwashed you people are, get this simple reality into your brain. We know your lies and accusations, and we know that this is not going to work. Okay? His wicked and evil sins have caught up with him. I don't know who they are referring to now, if it is Ipob or if it is Governor Hope Uzodinma that just speaking in parables. Okay, well, let's look at this critically. Let's look at this. You're a governor, or you are the head of a department. Why would you want to turn your department under your reign upside down just to tell the whole world, or just to tell the boss of the company that your subordinate is not performing? Why not just direct the problem to your subordinate so that your reign will not look as if you are incompetent? I'll take it again. It doesn't make sense, reasonable sense. It doesn't add up that Governor Hope Uzodinma will cause his own anarchy, to a great extent. I could still remember that when he entered the seat, himself and former governor of Imo State, Roger Sokorocha, and this present senator in the federal constituency were at loggerheads. Their supporters were turning Imo State upside down. So it's very possible. But for that of Hope Uzodinma, he wanted to prove a point that he is in charge, and he wanted Roger Sokorocha to align that he is in charge, whether godfather or political influence is there or not. He wanted him to realize that he is the number one citizen of Southeast of Imo State, and he must give him that respect. While governor and also fishing out for his property. So in the midst of all this, who is the Lord, or who is the governor, or who is in charge here? Insecurity flared up in Imo State. And within this whole insecurity, IPOB's name became the order of the day amongst others. So yes, to a great extent, my powerful may be asking a very pertinent question, but the question is, would it be right that a sitting governor would deliberately bring chaos? But then again, people will say militarizing a state is categorically trying to bring chaos to the state. It's a big one. And Ima Powerful must have his reasons for asking those questions. But let's meet in our comment section. Do you agree with Ima Powerful?